5,000 years before Christ, there was a place called Nyaruteja. As the time passed, time by time, they vote a leader to lead the place. After 5,000 years, there was born two mad brothers. The two brothers made a great chaos, great wars, and great territorial and revolution wars. The village was really disrupted by the acts of two brothers. Their acts made the village to lose a leader. The leadership was distracted. Even properties of that village was really distracted. Sujay have chased away his brothers through a great war. A little brother Dangote have created an army by a little support of a little number of villagers who supported him. It's been 10 years. Two villages living separately in peace. Sujay have gave a bath to a daughter. Dangote refused to give a bath. Dangote came up with an idea to take a revenge, to retrieve what his brother took from him.